빵.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will recommend some technical tools. These technical tools are so useful. We usually use it in life. For example, we use a screw for home, for desk and chair. Plier. Then, guess what we have? I suppose it will be a screwdriver. Screwdriver. And here we have a piece of wood. Lockness. There are screws. This is our last one. Wrench. And now let's discover together. First, I screw the screw in the piece of wood, and then I unlock this. Actually, I don't know how to use it. You know?
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how
I suppose it was like this.
See the finger, where are you? Here I
This screwdriver is so funny. I can't repair my desk.
Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
What is Rabbit doing? others too. I hope you have fun with these funny tools. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इसी तरह की वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। जज़ाकल्लाह।